Day 27 of my free 1979 Chevy Cobra RV. We are now about to finish up the wall. We got the brick bottom. We're about to do a white top. Putting in the new wall. The frame is already put in. Let's get to it. That's actually a pretty damn good fit. All right, gonna knock these top pieces into place now, and cut out the grid for the window. This is actually really easy. All right, let's see. Big thanks to Chelsea for hooking me up with a new beanie she just made for me. Black and blue, should fly. Shorter screws that will not penetrate through the side of the RV. This is what we need. Almost made a big mistake. That's where we want it. We're good. Got the wall up. First of the bolts are in, or not bolts, first of the screws are in. We're gonna cut out the window panel right now and get this thing going. It's looking really good so far. Got the window cut out. Just trimming up along the edge now. Sorry, Kinsale. Almost hit the cat. All right. That's a really good lineup. All right. I'll show you what I got going on here. Winter hats. It's nice and chilly here tonight. I'm enjoying the nice little breeze that I'm getting coming into the trailer. All right, so as you can see, I just hand cut the lines. This you won't be able to see when I'm done. I'm gonna sand it down, fill it in as I go along. As I said, I cut a little too much off right here, but I'm not worried. The track will cover that up. Not a big deal. For hand cut and just going by eye, cutting the main piece out. With this right here, I mean, did a pretty damn good job, I think. So, pat myself on the back for that. Time to get the frame back up in place. Just want to eyeball it, make sure that we're good. As you can see, we did a little too much right here, but it's actually perfect because the frame covers it perfectly. And it actually covers it with a little bit more space, so you don't see any of it at all. All right. So while my phone was charging, I got this panel put in place. Got the rest of this screwed back in. We now have a wall, top to bottom. I'm about to get this painted right now. Pop this panel in after. We're good. Mainly, I just want to get the window frame back in so we can clean this up. We're gonna get onto the paint right now. Paint is always my favorite part of this, and easiest part for me, obviously. Just a little bit more up inside of here. Trying to get a little bit of a heavier coat in there. Alright, fresh white coat. Probably going to do a second coat on this part of the wall over here. Looking good. Got to put our base across right here. We're going to have a little trim piece to cover that crack up. It's going to look really good when it's done. All right, time to get the window trim back on and in place. Get it bolted up. This should be the last part of the wall for the night. All right, got a nice solid frame back on the window. Looking really good. Give us a double check. Got the frame back on the window. Window's working. A little tight, but that's nothing unusual. Gotta get the dirt out of this track, make it a little easier. We're good. All right, so we have our fresh white wall with the brick underneath. We're gonna put our trim piece along here. That'll take care of that little gap. Won't be able to see anymore. This is looking great. I gotta fix the screen in the window, but the window itself is great. Everything slides, we're good. Whew. Day 27. I mean, it's moving along really well. All right, so I just laid out the rug that is going to be the carpet for half of the interior. My cat making himself at home, licking his nuts. So let's get this thing in. All right, I anchored down the corner. I already cut the piece out, so we're a good start. All right, anchor this down along the wall. There'll be a trim piece covering this, so you're not going to see it anyway, but in case anyone's wondering. Cat making himself at home. It's all good. All right, so I got the front section looking good. The wall's already cut along, placed in. Got that angle cut. We're gonna go over this box. I'm gonna cut it out so it goes over the top of the box. And then right here is where the wood panel floor is gonna start. That's where the kitchen's gonna go. So trying to keep the wood panel for the kitchen floor. All right, got the carpet in along the wall. We're about to cut this piece right here. Get that nice and tight, kick that in. Get this piece down. All right, got it down to the edge. We're looking good. Now we just got to pull this up and go straight across. And this is where our hardwood floor will be for the kitchen. Perfect. That you guys actually caught. We're gonna put this over here. Make sure our door can open and close. We're good. All right. All right. Get these loose. All right, so we have our corner cut. I'm gonna kick this rug back into place a little more. We still have our trim that's gonna go along the bottom of the wall, so we're okay. We are freshly carpeted. I love the ugly retro looking carpet. It's perfect. For this, it's perfect. Okay, time to get the boards in. I got the first one already nailed in place. It's gonna be our main board that we go the track off of. And let's get this one moved in. Ah, my guy, this gotta go under all the way. Keep going. So we have our second board in. I'm gonna knock it a little bit closer right here and then tap another nail in. Little method so you don't crush your fingers. I have fat fingers. I hate holding nails. I always hit my fucking finger. There you go. We got this little corner cut out. I'm gonna place a nail right here to keep that down. I'm gonna wait until I put the next board in. So far, it's looking really good. Big improvement. Very big improvement. So we're gonna lay this board down, slide it down under. We're looking good. I'm gonna do this right here. Alright, so we got a nice line right here. Alright, about to screw this panel down. It's the last one. And then we got this little filler right here and we're good. Alright, it's officially the last piece. Our floor is now done. Get this out of the way. I have to do a couple little filler pieces. Alright, so we just got the last of the nails in. Our boards are all looking good. Has to be swept and everything has to be vacuumed. Fresh new floor. New carpet. Carpeted the box. New walls. It's fucking dope in here now. Really coming together well. Looking good. Successful day. Day 27, day 28, whatever the hell we're on. I think it's day 27. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.